Camera lens caps are an essential accessory for photographers who want to protect their lenses from dust, scratches, and other potential damage. There are many products available to choose camera lens caps, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camera lens caps from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. JJC 2-Pack 58mm Front Lens Cap Cover. The 2-pack JJC 58mm lens cap cover for Canon EOS Rebel T7, T6, T5, T100 is a set of center pinch lens caps designed to protect your lens from scratches, fingerprints, and the elements when the lens is not in use, and comes with a lens cap keeper to prevent loss of your lens cap. It is easy to use and compatible with any lenses with 58mm lens thread size, and can replace Canon E58 Roman II front lens cap or other 58mm front lens cap. Number 2. 52mm Lens Cap Cover. This pack of 52mm lens caps is compatible with several Nikon lenses, including AF SDX 1855mm and AF Nikkor 50mm. The center pinch design allows for easy installation and removal, and the high-quality plastic ABS material ensures durability. Additionally, the included leash can be attached to the lens cap to prevent loss. Number 3. Altera Photo 5 PCS Lens Cap Keeper. The Altera Photo Lens Cap Keeper is a camera accessory designed to prevent lens caps from getting lost. It features an elastic band that stretches to fit around the circumference of your lens and a small button that sticks to the front of your lens cap. It also includes a removable target sticker for an all-black finish. This lens cap holder is suitable for virtually all lens caps, with or without a hole loop available. It is a must-have for all photographers who want to keep their lens caps secure and easily accessible. Number 4. Photo and Tech Camera Lens Cap Leash. Photo and Tech Lens Cap Keeper is a handy accessory designed for DSLR, SLR, EVL, mirrorless cameras, and video cameras. It prevents your lens cap from ever getting lost by securely attaching it to your camera. The peel and stick application makes it easy to use, with a small button that sticks securely onto the front of your lens cap. The elastic loop stretches to wrap around the lens barrel or attaches to the camera's strap connector points, ensuring that your lens cap remains attached. This lens cap keeper is compatible with virtually all types of lens caps, whether they have a loop or hole available, center pinch, or snap-on. Lightweight and durable, it is a great camera accessory for all photographers. Number 5. Covered Universal Lens Cap. The Covered Universal Lens Cap 2.0, also known as the Covered Lens Cap, is a versatile and durable lens cap designed to fit 99% of DSLR lenses. With its new and refined design, it offers a stretch and fit for all shapes and sizes of lenses. The lens cap is element-proof, providing a tight, waterproof seal that prevents water, mud, dust, and sand from scratching or damaging your lens. It works as both a front and rear lens cap, and you can even double up for maximum security. The lens cap is shock absorbent, protecting your lens from blunt force trauma when dropped. It can also stretch over traditional lens caps for additional impact protection. With a lifetime warranty, you can trust that this lens cap will perform under the toughest conditions. Any issues, and Covered will replace it for free, forever. The Covered Lens Cap is a must-have accessory for photographers, providing convenience, protection, and peace of mind. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.